name is Hossein Ranema, and I'm working at the Digital Media Zone at Ryerson.
So is this part of your...
Yeah, so we're working on 5 projects. One of the projects is actually building a travel assistant applications for Paris Metro passengers. So they will be able to use their phones to navigate their way in the metro system, find points of interest such as elevators and escalators, attractions that are going around the station. Part of the project, we are using a monitoring application that you can click on different passengers, see their profile, filter them based on their profile, such as, let's say, their disability types or age. And the passengers can share this information either with their family members or with the public transit authority.
Okay.
Now, what happens on the phone, and Peter is my colleague working on the project, is that each station will be associated with certain services. So let's say it shows that we are at the Bercy station. You can actually navigate the services that are available at that station. Let's say I can see the station that I'm located at. I can bookmark another station to see where I'm going, do route planning, itinerary planning, doing indoor positioning stuff, so I can find my location within a station and find points of interest such as ticket machines or elevators, escalators. Now, we are also focusing on passengers with disability, so we've built a few models that passengers who are visually impaired or on wheelchair, they will also be able to interact with the phone. So if you look at this interface, you can do different gestures on the phone. Elevator. And you will be able to interact with the phone using voice commands. Now, this particular application is being used by regular passengers, but the research that we have done is that we only use one application with different variants. So depending on the context of the passenger, we will choose the best variant of the application based on the context around the user. So let's say if you give the phone to someone who is visually impaired, automatically the interface will change to work with gestures and voice commands.
So it's pre-programmed, so the person gets it and you program it for them. You program the app for them, or
the application? This is our research. The application has different variants.
Okay.
Now, based on what's happening around the user, we will choose the best variants. For example, if you're using the phone in graphics mode, you need a high bandwidth. But when you're in the tunnel, the bandwidth may drop. So we will use that as a context element. And if the bandwidth drops, we do not crash the application. We will choose a variant of the application that is text-based, so you will consume less bandwidth.
Okay.
And you can create these for different types of applications for that, such as increase the sensitivity of your microphone or dim the light of your display automatically. So that's the middleware that we have developed.
Okay.
This particular project is for transit in Paris. We are also trying to do it in Canada for entities like Go Transit.
Okay.
Transit entities.
Okay.
We are focusing more on ticket purchasing capabilities. So you use your phone to get these codes, to get codes like these, scan them, and then we will deduct the ticket price from your prepaid account. So, and then let's say we have these markers at Union Station. You can take a look at them and then find the platforms by just pointing your camera to them. So we will process your itinerary as a series of context elements, and we will navigate you through your platform based on these markers. So it's a combination of augmented reality and context awareness.